So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. And now once we're here, there are 2 things that we can try. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start to Prepare. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start attempting repairs. Wait for this to load. And it should now boot you back into Windows. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then you want to come back into this screen like I showed you how to do at the start of the video. Now once we're here, for the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and this time Command Prompt. And now once we're on this, you want to type in bootrec space /fix mbr. Click on Enter. Now you want to type in bootsect space /nt60 space sys, and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootrec space /fix boot. Click on Enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec space /rebuild bcd. Click on Enter again. Wait for this to load. And now for the last one, you want to type in chkdsk space and now your Windows drive letter. For me, it's going to be C:. For most of you guys, it's also going to be C:. However, if it's not, then just change the letter to your Windows drive. Space /F space /R, and then click on Enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once you complete that scan, we can now close out of this. Now you want to continue to Windows, and this should now fix your problem.